we see trends, and the trends exist, for example, with consumers. Consumers expect things to be faster and newer. They find it easier to switch between technologies or between offerings, which is true also for business customers. And on the other hand, there's also higher expectations of more sustainable products, the social consciousness that sort of emerges. So the first thing I tell them is that there's no recipe. There's no one magic formula that you can just execute innovation in every organization and be successful. If we had that, you would have seen it already. The second thing I tell them is that there is a special recipe for their organization. But there are actually insights and tools that help each individual organization find its way into successful innovation. So having this information and knowing what's going on elsewhere in the organization and outside in the world of the startups or the new technologies or the trends, that is crucial for being able to execute better on innovation projects. But we have to remember that organizational culture starts with people. And when we think about the people who are going to drive innovation in the organization, we think about what they need. They not only need assets and best practices and guidance and support, they also need a community. I'm a strong believer that technology can enable and support innovation across organizations. The main reason is that it's not technology for the sake of technology, but technology can help us with this information flow problem that we have. It can also be a tool that creates a community.